Hey everyone, I'm doing some work towards the back of the car today. I noticed that the muffler tailpipe hanger was missing two nuts right attaching to this 7-shaped hanger piece here, which is really like a hard, thick, heavy rubber and metal bracket or plate. And so I went out and picked up some 9/16 nuts and washers, and we're going to reconnect the tailpipe hanger at this point, and I'll show that to you on the car now. Here we are looking underneath the side, the right rear, in from the tire well, and you can see here this is a replacement shock. I'll have this in another video, but behind that, right back there, you can see this is the 7-shaped hanger, kind of a backward 7 from this angle. And you can see the U-shaped support here has come out. And so we're missing the upper nut that would come on top here and attach this. It's a little bit heavy, and I can't really hold it up at the same time I'm trying to attach it. So what I'm going to do is use the car jack, just the one that came with the car, put a block of wood on it to support and hold that muffler and the beginning of the tailpipe in place so I can reattach the nuts. So I'm positioning the jack underneath, put a block of wood on top so that I don't put any undue pressure on this. And I'm just going to lift up the jack a bit here. You can see we get close to where these holes are on the mounting bracket. And I'm just going to align everything till I can support those right through the hole like that. I'll come up a little more than I need to, just to be able to give me some room here on both sides to attach these nuts. And I have the height about where I want it from the nut on below with the washer above it. So I'm going to put the washer down on top, and then I'll put the nut on top. I'll do the same thing on the other side. It's a little hard to see, but I'm just going to reach around. Not enough room here for a socket wrench on both sides, so I just use a regular crescent wrench. You'll tighten that down. Okay, once you have those on nice and tight, we'll let the jack down, let this hang the way that it should. Now we have our exhaust nice and secure, but still with some vibration damping here from the hanger. So there you go. Thanks very much for watching.